Hello everyone, welcome to Graphic Phenom. In this video, I will show you how to do an old photo rester in Photoshop. Step by step, I will explain to you and wait for the final result. You will learn a new technique to recover a broken image. At first, make a copy of the background image. Fit it or zoom it for working easily. Take the spot healing brush tool and remove the spot that you have in your image. I will do it fast forwarding. Otherwise, the video will be so long. Do it carefully. That's the main point of recovering a broken image. See where the spot is, do all here. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please leave a comment for this video and stay connected with me. Thanks for watching this video. Zooming in and zooming out for seeing the spot. Remove all the spots perfectly. All the things you will do them with new layers. Now fix the background. At first, select the quick selection tool, then select the subject. Go to the Select menu and reverse the selection. Take a sample for exiting background with the eyedropper tool. Ctrl+Delete for making a new background. Also delete the unwanted things in this image you may have. I am doing it by selecting the polygonal lasso tool. And select the area and Ctrl+Delete for background. Do the same that you have unwanted things in this image. Here I am trying to fix missing area with AI, but it can't do well. So now doing with the clone tool. Press Alt for sample and do it mending areas. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please leave a comment for this video and stay connected with me. Now fix the dress. At first, select the dress with the quick selection tool. In the layers, right-click on the mouse and convert to Smart Object. Go to the Filter menu and Camera Raw Filter. Do the filters you prefer for your image. I will do it fast forwarding. Otherwise, the video will be so long. Hit OK. Now save the images and upload it in Photo Enhancer. See the magic. Left image is original and right image is final result. And downloaded the image. Here is the final result.